Now at 11, the first case of coronavirus in Oregon.
5 years ago today,
KGW's Mike Benner's in the newsroom tracking these
marks
developments.
Oregon's first reported case of COVID-19.
Because chances are this will get worse before it gets better.
And it did get worse. Hundreds of thousands died across the nation, and businesses and schools were forced to shut down.
Now those lockdowns are over, and stickers like this asking people to stand 6 feet apart are wearing away.
Phil Geffner, the owner of Escape from New York Pizza, says while they took precautions, they never stopped selling pies.
No, we've been open the whole time. We just didn't let a lot of people in, and we kept the doors open. We kept the ventilation going.
Now, like many others, Phil and his restaurant of 40 years are moving forward.
Onto a new chapter now.
Only about 1 in 6 say it continues to be a major threat to public health. At the height of the pandemic, that figure was closer to 7 in 10.
A new Pew Research Center report surveyed over 9,000 U.S. adults. Over half said COVID is no longer something we really need to worry about, though the impact of the pandemic still affects us. Nearly 3/4 of those surveyed say the pandemic did more to drive the country apart than bring it together. And when it comes to the classroom, students across the country are still trying to recover, especially those in Oregon.
Our numbers are not where they need to be. The fact that our reading and writing numbers are so low, and in some cases, worse than pre-pandemic, unacceptable.
So while COVID-19 case numbers and deaths are no longer in our top headlines,
the county is still not meeting the goals it set for addressing the county's homeless crisis.
we're still tracking the impacts.
Now another industry impacted by the pandemic, real estate. Zillow says home values are up 45% nationally since 2020. I wanted to look at Portland specifically, so I went on Redfin. And while prices fluctuate, their data shows the median sale price for homes in Portland has also increased.